Executive Engineer of Water Resources Department, Wotrami Marchang, says Manipur will get flood early warning system in the coming 2 years. The executive engineer said this while attending the opening day of second day long workshop cum training on flood forecasting and mitigation in Manipur at Training Hall of Water Resources Department, SWIC NHP block in Lamphelpat today. The training program is jointly organized by State Project Monitoring Unit SPMU, National Hydrology Project NHP, Water Resources Department, and Manipur Project Team Department of Civil Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Manipur. Speaking further in the program, Wotrami Marchang said the flood early warning system will not only help in flood mitigation and preparedness, but also help people to take early precautions. The system will be equipped with weather satellite observation, numeral weather prediction, hydrological modeling, and hydrometry. While maintaining that frequent flood in the state can be attributed to changing climate, Wotrami Marchang stressed on the need to plant more trees to prevent flood.
For the past 2 months, flood events occurred. So we require the needs of this kind of workshop for the state. So workshop machine MIT Manipur Pullaga Water Resource Department IMD scientist head NESAT MARSEC miyam pullaga sumaina flood early warning system si kamai develop to sir and ngasi workshop si tawgani workshop si numit ani tawgani ngasi na hawbo aye ado haying phau chathagani technical session mayam laigani ado si early warning system initial oiri ado next year the Imphal warning system the generate tawniba hotnagani han